Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete favorites on FoodPanda. To delete favorites on FoodPanda, launch the FoodPanda app open on your mobile device and make sure to be logged in. From the home page of FoodPanda, go ahead and tap on the heart icon at the top right corner, which will then take you to your favorites list. Select the favorites or saved restaurant, and then in order to unfavorite them, simply tap on the red heart icon at the top right corner, and if you go back to the favorite list and refresh for once, you will then be able to delete the restaurant from your favorite list. Repeat the process for every other restaurant you'd like to remove from your favorite list, and then that's all it takes to keep your FoodPanda favorites up to date. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.